What's up, guys? We're here in Barcelona, Spain. We're about to get our motorcycles. We just got off our cruise with 1 day left in Barcelona, so we rented with Eagle Rider at the Barcelona metric location, run by an awesome team at Pau Travel Moto.
If you ever have a little extra time on a trip, renting with Eagle Rider is hands down the best way to see the country up close. Come ride with us.
It's kind of raining today, so hopefully that'll change. It's supposed to stop raining at like 11 and it's technically 11, so hopefully that's gonna happen pretty soon. We have our raincoats on and I'm ready to kind of go. What's up, guys?
Just entered the Pyrenees region.
We are in Ricole. We're gonna have a quick lunch. The engine feels so quiet that I'm not used to it, so it's a little bit of a
adjustment. Mine's weird because it's like I'm riding a glorified dirt bike down it.
eyelashes. We just had lunch and now we're headed out. It's getting a little cold in here, a little nippy.
Windy too. Well, here we are on National Route 260 here in Spain, up in the heart of the Pyrenees Mountains. We came upon this lovely little overlook.
It's definitely beautiful.
Real close to
the
French border here. Another few kilometers to go and we'll be real close to the border. Try and make our way towards Alp. I love this thing. It's real nimble between the legs. So I can really throw it around and dance. This is fun. This is way better than like whatever you find in the Carolinas or even the Rockies. I mean, this thing is like right, left. I mean, you got the wall right here. You got the cliff over here. You got guys passing one another on the mountains. You got large occasional RVs. It's wild, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I literally just ran out of gas, and we're here trying to get gas at this petrol station.
I remember how to use this stuff.
You have to ask. You have never used it. Ice cream. It's so good.
Today we're in the Pyrenees mountains of Spain.
Yeah.
And
Well, part of it.
yeah, a section of it.
We can't do all of it because we're only here for a day, so.
Making best of what we have with what we can do. Check out this view.
Wow, a lot of people are hiking.
Definitely a lot of cows.
Look at that. There's a cow up on top of that summit.
And there's sometimes even in the road.
Look at the. Yeah, I have some videos of that. It's crazy.
Video footage of me almost crapping a brick trying to get around one. Took me by surprise.
So we did some rentals, and this is John's rental. It is a Honda African Twin. How do you like it?
I like it. It's like a beefed up dirt bike with road tires. I mean, you can really just throw it around and dance with it. You know what I mean? So I like the fact that there's a ton of bikes up here in the mountains. Just a ton of bikes. And there's not one road you're not going to find a bike on it. Just everybody's just riding around. You got people down from France, people from Spain up here from the city.
But overall, the bike's very nimble. It was a very easy experience to rent these bikes.
We make sure you have your passport, driver's license, and don't forget your
international driver's license,
which is essentially just a translation of your license.
Yeah, and you can get that at AAA. So
yeah. What do you got going on here?
I ended up renting a Honda Revel. I think it's 1100. There's really not a lot of options as far as bikes for me because I'm very short. It's a much lighter bike, so it's perfect for these windy roads. Very nice to be out here and being able to ride in different parts of the country and seeing what their roads look like. We're here at the hotel.
That was a fun ride. It was, like we said, I think we did close to like 300 miles today.
There we go. That's it for today. We're going to go to bed because we're tired. I can't hear anything.
Thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. If you liked our content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell for future notifications on videos.